everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Haitian Chocolate Beauty and welcome to this video. I'm gonna start with I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera, then I'll be right back because they're gonna take forever. So I'll see you there. All right guys, I am done with my brows. They look a little bit different today. Since we're trying new products, I thought, you know, might shape them a little differently. I'm still trying to get used to it. I don't know if I like it or not, but this is it. All right guys, I've tried 2 different looks and it's just, it doesn't feel right. So I'm gonna call my husband and let him pick 3 colors. One of them have to be blue. Come on, babe.
Hello?
Hey, can you pick 2 colors for me? Like, I already have blue. Can you pick 2 other colors for me?
Yellow, green?
Yellow and green?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, you guys heard it. Blue, yellow, green. Decided to put some concealer, some white concealer first. Now the task is blue, yellow, green. So I'm gonna go in the Warrior 3 by Juvia's Place and go in Messiah right here. All right, I'm gonna go with blue up here. This is all in the same palette. I went in the blue called Gala. Now I'm going in the blue called Nzinga. I think that's how you say it. I'm just taking the yellow and creating like a T-zone in the middle and blending it with all 3 colors. This is how the eye's looking. So I think I'm gonna put a little bit of green under. Just drag it up. I'm gonna use a tight brush and just drag this green up. I'm gonna take another brush and work on the yellow, blending it together. There you go. And now I'm gonna use AOA Starlight in gold and do a little line. All right, I put on some liner using the Betty Boop and Ipsy collaboration liner. Now for the base. So this is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I've never tried it before, but people were saying that it's so good. It mimics this pretty expensive primer. So we're gonna try it out. This primer, it's pretty mattifying. So we'll just see how it works with some foundation. I have the ColourPop No Filter Foundation in the shade Deep Dark 205. So we're gonna see how this works with the primer. Are you guys ever scared to like buy new makeup and try it and be like, ooh, oh, that didn't work how I thought it would? Now I do have a red undertone, but this is making me look so orange. I'm trying to trust the process. I look like a Oompa Loompa. It's crazy because on camera, I look orange, but on my mirror, it looks fine. The mirror looks fine, but the camera looks orange. This undertone is crazy. Now we're going into concealer. For concealer, I'm using a Dose of Colors. So for concealer, I'm using 26 deep, and for contour, I'm using 30 deep. So let's see how that works out. To set my face, I'm using Laura Mercier in the shade Translucent Medium Deep. I'm gonna use the Mented Cosmetics bronzer Out of Office and see if that helps me some. Just create some, little bit of something. So I'm going in the AOE Lumi blush in the shade Golden Apricot. And then I'm going in the Dose of Colors Supreme Glow highlighter in the shade Royal Hotness. This says a lot. It is really hot. Now I'm gonna spray the NYX Matte Finish Matte Spray. All right, I'm gonna put on my lashes. And then I'm gonna use the Beauty Bakery mascara. Lashes are on. Now for a lip liner, I'm going with the Mented Cosmetics lip pencil. And then I'm going with a Dose of Colors liquid lip in the shade Brick. Then I'm going on Mented Cosmetics liquid lip in the shade Plum Over. All right, I feel like that created a nice nude. All right, that was it. What did you guys think of the products that I used? Okay, first of all, Juvia's Place, amazing palette. I always love their palette. I have almost all of them. Great, black owned, great palette. Go get it. Dose of Colors concealers. The concealer was good. Now the concealer was good coverage, but I feel like it dried too fast. Like as soon as you put it on, you need to work it into your skin. Especially when I was using it as a contour, it dried up really fast. The blush is a glittery blush, so it gave me a little bit of color, but it's giving me more sparkle than color, but I don't mind. Never mind too much of the sparkle. I love it. I love glitter and highlight and all of that. The Dose of Colors highlight. I love the highlight. I love the highlight. It makes me look amazing. The foundation. The foundation is setting in now. The foundation is setting in now. At first, I was like bright orange, but as it's set to my natural skin tone. Like it's set to my chest color. I just have to work it down here because as a dark skin woman, I have 2 skin tones. Whenever I put my makeup on, I can either have it match my neck or have it match my chest. So this matches my chest, so I feel like that works perfectly. The liquid lips, love it. Mended Cosmetic is black owned. The lip liner, love it. It works well with my skin tone. These 2 colors worked well. Dose of Colors. I just mixed these 2 colors. They're kind of the same, but as you can see, this has a little bit lighter. It's a little bit lighter. It has a little bit shade of plum. So I feel like that brought out the darkness, but also the lightness, because I didn't want to put like, you know, a bright pink. Not a bright pink, but I didn't want to put like a pink up there. I wanted like a plum pink against my lip to give me that nude set, and everything else was good. The only thing that I feel like I would have to be careful on is the concealer. The concealer is the only thing I would feel like I would need to work faster when I put it on, like work one eye at a time. But other than that, everything was amazing. Like, yeah, 10 out of 10. I was so scared with the foundation because I picked it online and I was like, oh, what if I got the wrong color? And then I have to return it, then I have to wait to make this video and, you know, blah, blah, blah. But I was coming up blank on what color to do in my eyes, so that's why I called my husband. I was like, look, give me 3 colors. One of them has to do with blue because I have on a blue shirt. And this is what he picked it, and this is what I did, and I think it came out amazing. The colors all work together. The little line, the little gold line that I added. I always like to add a little accents to my eyes just to shape them, you know? So I feel like that came out great. The primer. Oh my gosh, the primer. Okay, I don't know if it was the foundation or if it, because of this primer, but the foundation went so smooth. Like, it went in so smooth. It wasn't patchy, it wasn't cracking, but it just flowed with my skin. Like, my skin was actually poreless. So 10 out of 10, this was like almost $5. So I feel like you guys should go out and get this. Yes, I am stocking up for sure. I'm gonna go online after this video and order like 5 more because like it made my foundation glide. I really should try all my other foundations with this primer because 10 out of 10 would recommend. If you have any black owned business cosmetic that you feel like I should try out, please comment down below so I can incorporate some good products into my routine and let you guys know what works and what didn't. And thank you for being here with me. I love how this looks. Remember, you are loved, you are appreciated, and you are beautiful. And you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Mwah! Bye.